Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple and delicious mushroom recipe, and it's Chettinad mushroom masala. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First I'm going to grind a masala paste. Add little oil, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, 4 red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger chopped. Roast all the ingredients till you get a nice golden brown color. Next add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. So we've roasted all these ingredients for the masala. Turn off the stove, cool the mixture completely. The ingredients have cooled down completely, transfer it to a mixer jar. Add 1 teaspoon of soaked tamarind. Add enough water and grind the masala to a nice fine paste. Take a white saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1 cup of onions, 2 green chili slit. Next add a handful of curry leaves. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Next I'm going to add 200 grams of mushrooms that have been cut up. Add the ground masala paste. Mix everything together. Close and cook for about 8 minutes. The mushroom masala is done. Turn off the stove. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaf. You can enjoy this Chettinad mushroom masala with some nice roti or rice. So do try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Print.